Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Now, let us just quickly talk about a tool that is becoming a must-have for anyone that is, trading indicator, as anyone that is trading assets that can be really volatile, assets that know how to spike, right? Now, let us look at the Boom Hunter Pro indicator. Okay, the Boom Hunter Pro indicator. All right. Okay, so if you are into spike trading, basically, this is something you would want to pay close attention to. If you are trading any asset that is known for fast, unpredictable spikes that can either make or break a trade, this indicator can be very valuable for you. Okay? The Boom Hunter Pro is designed to help you identify potential spike zones before they happen, giving you the ability to plan ahead rather than react late. Okay, so what exactly is the Boom Hunter Pro indicator? Now you can see that this indicator is quite a unique indicator that analyzes market structure, volume behavior, and historical price action to highlight areas where spikes are likely to occur. All right, you'll see visual cues directly on your chart, zones where the market might reverse or spike. Let us just go to gold. Let us add this indicator to the gold chart and use it here. So basically, we have the areas based on statistical behavior, not random guesses. The best part, the indicator does not repaint. What that means is once a signal appears, it stays locked in place. Okay, no misleading alerts, no vanishing signals. It's all based on real-time market data. Now let's just quickly break down how to use the indicator. First of all, of course, you add the indicator to your chart. Once it's loaded to your chart, you'll notice areas marked as potential, reversal zones. You can see here short, you can see here long, although this time around, this was just a mere pullback, but of course no indicator is perfect, right? You can see there was a long signal here and it was valid. This short signal was also valid, but this long was just a mere pullback. Perhaps you would have gotten stopped out if you had taken this. Okay, now this long, this was valid, right? This was a short, well, this was just a very, very brief pullback, so perhaps you would have gotten stopped out. Anyways, that's the reason why you should know that risk management is crucial, because no indicator is 100% accurate. This is just showing you, this is a proof that no indicator is 100% accurate. So now here we had a long signal. This was just a mere pullback, another long, a mere pullback, but well, just a few pips, right? And then here we had a valid short signal. So basically when you're using this indicator, you can focus on the long and short signals. All right, and focus on the long and the short signals. But to increase your chances of success, I will recommend taking these signals, once you have verified them with price action. For example, I would have just said take your trades in the direction of the trend, but in some cases the indicator might give you signals for a reversal. So what you're going to do is make sure you make use of your trend lines. For example, if price is making lower highs and lower lows and you get a long signal, right? If you get a long signal, that long signal could be indicating a reversal. It could be indicating a reversal. All right, or maybe if price is making higher highs and higher lows and you get a short signal, like what we can see happen here, in that case, it could be indicating a reversal, right? You can see there was a break of structure and we had a reversal to the downside. So combine price action analysis. Basically, that's what I'm trying to say. Combine price action analysis so that when the indicator gives you a signal, you will look at your market structure. When you look at your market structure, you will confirm if that signal is likely going to play out. All right. For example, getting a short signal once price broke below this support, that was a valid, point to enter a sell. Coupled with this strong sell confirmation candle, stop loss can be above the breakout points, take profit can be around support zones, and you're good to go. Okay, ensure that you don't rely on the indicator alone. Use it in conjunction with other techniques, trend line breaks, candlestick formations, whether it's doji, engulfing patterns, or what have you. The Boom Hunter Pro acts as your early warning system. It gives you the heads up, but it's still your job to confirm the trade setup. Now, what is really useful about this indicator is that it is visually simple. You're not getting bombarded with random arrows or chaotic overlays. You get clean zones, and when the price enters those areas, that's the time to start planning a trade. Okay, so this tool is especially helpful for scalpers, who need to be fast and precise, but swing traders can benefit too by using the spike zones as markers to hold positions longer or tighten stops around those areas. So whether you are avoiding spikes or chasing them, the Boom Hunter Pro gives you the map. You just need to learn how to read it. Okay? Meanwhile, ensure that you always observe good risk management practices. Do not trade with an amount that you cannot afford to lose. Do not risk more than 1 to 2% of your account balance in a single trade. And ensure that you use good risk to reward ratios. I'm going to recommend a minimum of 1:2. You can see that in this particular example, this trade that I analyzed around here, you can see that the risk to reward ratio was 1:3. So I recommend a minimum of 1:2. If you notice that your take profit level is going far beyond the key level for you to get that 1:2 minimum, then just stay out of the trade, because your take profit should not be exceeding a key level. Price might get rejected and reverse. So you should ensure that your stop loss is above a swing high, that is for a sell, or below a swing low for a buy. And your take profit should be around a support, or even above a support for a sell, or for your take profit for a buy trade, perhaps above below a resistance or around a resistance. All right. So if you're finding this helpful, make sure you tap that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below if you want a full strategy using the Boom Hunter Pro with price action. All right. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Don't forget to click on that notification bell so that you do not miss out on more videos like this. All right. Until next time, stay sharp and trade smart.